for me, this is where it all started. "40 years ago, we lived at the Aliso Village housing projects. And I went to elementary school just down the street, kindergarten. And you know, it gets me to think, it doesn't matter where you started, it matters where you finished. Hey everybody, this is David with CMC Motorsports, and I'm here today to tell you about our Harley Davidson backrest. It's called El Rey. El Rey is the baddest backrest to hit the Harley Davidson scene because we designed it with both style and comfort, which means it gives your bike that finishing touch that everybody's been looking for. And best of all, we make El Rey here in the USA. And we designed it to fit with your stock Harley Davidson docking kit, so it doesn't require any special equipment or hardware. So what are you waiting for? Crown your king.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.